To use TurboTax for small business, start by gathering all necessary documents and information, including business income statements, expense receipts, and tax-related documents. Next, go to the TurboTax website and select the small business option, choosing the correct tax form, such as 1040 or 1120, depending on your business structure. Create an account or log in to your existing one, and begin the tax preparation process by answering a series of questions about your business, including the type of business, income, and expenses. TurboTax will guide you through the process, asking for specific information and documents as needed. As you proceed, you will be asked to categorize your business expenses, such as rent, utilities, and supplies, and to report any business income, including sales, services, and interest. You will also need to report any business use of your home, vehicles, and other assets. TurboTax will help you calculate your business deductions and credits, including the home office deduction and the qualified business income deduction. It will also guide you through the process of reporting any business taxes, such as self-employment tax and payroll tax. Once you have completed the tax preparation process, TurboTax will review your return for accuracy and completeness, and provide you with a summary of your tax obligations. You can then e-file your return directly with the IRS, or print and mail it. Throughout the process, TurboTax provides various tools and resources, including audit support, to help you navigate the tax preparation process. It is essential to keep accurate records and to seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the tax preparation process. By following these steps and using TurboTax for small business, you can streamline the tax preparation process, minimize errors, and maximize your deductions and credits. Remember to stay organized, keep accurate records, and seek help when needed to ensure a smooth and successful tax filing experience.